Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your freelancing tools with Microsoft 365 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your freelancing tools with Microsoft 365, start by assessing your current tools and their effectiveness. Identify the core functionalities you need for your freelancing tasks. Visit the official Microsoft 365 website to explore the available plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, such as personal, family, or business options. Click on the Buy Now button for your selected plan. Create a Microsoft account if you don't already have one. Once your purchase is confirmed, sign in to your Microsoft 365 account. Download and install the Microsoft 365 apps on your computer or devices. Open Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Outlook, depending on your needs. Take a moment to explore the interface and learn about the new features available. Customize your settings to enhance your workflow. Use OneDrive for cloud storage, enabling easy access to your documents from anywhere. Organize your files in OneDrive by creating folders for different projects or clients. Utilize Microsoft Teams for effective communication with clients and collaborators. Schedule meetings and share files directly through Teams for streamlined collaboration. Explore Microsoft To Do for task management to keep track of deadlines and assignments. Integrate your calendar with Outlook to manage appointments efficiently. Leverage Microsoft SharePoint if you need a collaborative workspace for larger projects. Take advantage of Microsoft Planner to visually manage your tasks and team responsibilities. Regularly check for updates to ensure you have the latest features and security improvements. Consider attending Microsoft training sessions or webinars to enhance your skills. Reflect on how using Microsoft 365 has improved your freelancing workflow over time. Make adjustments to your tools and methods as you become more comfortable with the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.